it states and it declares that racism is a public health crisis.
That unanimous resolution that passed Cleveland City Council comes, of course, in the shadow of last weekend's peaceful protest at the Free Stamp that turned violent once it moved down the street to the Justice Center and later to looting downtown. The initial protest was organized in the wake of the suffocation killing of George Floyd, an unarmed African-American man, by Minneapolis police. At a Friday news conference on the steps of Cleveland City Hall, local leaders said the resolution is important.
You cannot solve a problem if you don't identify that problem. And so calling racism a public health crisis is a simple, basic tenet in trying to have problem resolution.
Cleveland's 3 major hospital systems have said they support the public health crisis designation, and leaders vow this will be more than just talk.
This is not just something the council was resolved to do. This is something we are going to do. We are going to have a plan, and I'm not talking about in 2021, I'm not talking about in 2022. We're going to start working on this immediately because we are long overdue on recognizing this and acting on this.
And prejudice has historically and continues to have impact on people's health. That is borne out by the data.
So after protests this week in Cleveland, Cincinnati, and Columbus, at his daily Friday briefing, Governor Mike DeWine promised to move the issue forward at the state level.
What I'm focused on is action. And we've outlined some things we want to do, both in the law enforcement area and in the area of having to do with health. And you're going to see those things, and they are unfolding.
And to everybody out there, looting does not honor the dead.
Councilman Bashir Jones says there's a different way to honor people such as George Floyd.
The way that we honor them is by making sure that we create a system that don't lead us back down this path.
Bill Sheil, Fox 8 News.